You have an outside building, like a pergola, a gazebo, or how about a shed where there's no power and you need to get light inside or something, kind of like this. No power, dark. Well, stay tuned and I may have a product that will suit your needs. This is what I picked up. Solar motion sensor light. It's a little pendant light that you can hang anywhere. Comes with a remote, and you just have to mount your solar panel. So no electricity needed. This is a relatively inexpensive way to light up your shed or whatever you need to. This is a real easy project to do. But let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, got some instructions. And tells you how to mount everything and what you got to do. It does say that you should probably plug this in and let it charge. Do not use until it's charged, the solar lamp in the sun for 6 to 8 hours. Okay. Then it also lists what you got to do. It has several modes and this and that, and I'll get into that later. Okay. Here's your light. Okay. 4 little lights. Here's, I don't know, we'll get into that. I haven't read it yet, but here's your mode buttons, your on and off. Okay. You do have a bracket here. You can bend these down. And you do have a bracket right here, which all you got to do is mount that somewhere. Okay. Comes with a remote, which I'll probably hang out right on the inside of the door, and then you just, do whatever mode you want, turn it on. Comes with this 4 screws and 4 anchors, and it comes with batteries for the remote. And here's your little solar panel. Okay, small. I don't know about the size, maybe less than a ruler, but I don't know, probably 10 inches maybe. In the bracket. And all you gotta do is just mount it wherever. And I think this comes with, I don't know, like 16 feet of cord maybe. Yeah. So that's what's in the box. All right, I took the bracket off the solar panel, put it up here where I wanted it with a little torpedo level to make sure it was level. I marked it. Now I'm gonna screw this in with a couple screws. Okay, I got the solar panel bracket mounted. The next thing I need to do is, I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, here's the plug from the solar panel. Okay. I'm gonna need to drill a hole so I can, underneath that bracket somewhere, so I can snake the line through. That's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, I just drilled a 3/4 inch hole so I can snake the line through. I'll seal that up after I get it all, I'll put some foam insulation or silicone in there. So I'm gonna mount this back up and slide the line through. Okay, I got my line run. I just used some old cable hangers with a little tack nail on there, and just ran it up on my trusses, or whatever, not trusses, but whatever you call that, yeah. And over to here, this middle one. So I'm gonna hang my light in the center. So I'm gonna mark it where the center is, and I'm gonna hang it. I'm just gonna put 2 screws right in here, Okay. I have the light mounted. Just put in 3 screws, 2 screws that it came with, and the one extra screw. Okay, and I'll play with these later, but I have these folded down a little bit. Okay. Next thing to do is to plug in your plug here. So there's only one way I don't know if you can see it. Zoom in, I don't know. But there's a little notch at the bottom of this one. There's a notch in this one. Just put them together and seal it up. Now this does have a waterproof, water resistant cap and stuff. It's rubber and stuff. So if you were putting this outside, it's good for water. Okay. All mounted. I got the rest of it tacked up there where the plug is. So it's all tacked up there. And I just got some blue tape there holding it, covering the hole for right now. Because what I did was, ooh, sunny, I don't know if you can see. Ooh, I don't know if you can see, but I just took some silicone and silicone the hole there, let it dry. I may have to come back later, put another coat over it in case if it runs out of there. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, I just sealed up the hole. So that's what it looks like right now. Solar panel. Yeah, I don't know, might have to tilt it a little bit more. I'm not sure on how these go because we're getting into the fall hours down. Yeah, sun's right there. Boom. All right. But anyway, okay, I want to show you. I don't know if you can see, but up there, this right here in the middle, that's the motion sensor. Here's your on-off button and your mode button, and then you got all these lights here. Okay. Green light, battery level indicator, and then this one here, purple light, charging indicator. So it's charging, looks like. This thing has several different modes. Let me see here, let me read this here. It says you got 3 night modes and you got 2 day modes, or whatever. Mode number 1, stay on, dim light. Get brighter for 20 seconds when motion is detected, works only at night. Mode 2, stay off. Come on for 20 seconds when the sensor detects a movement of a person or animal. It works only at night. Mode 3, constant on at night with 70% brightness. The light will auto on and stay bright at night. Works only at night. Then you have mode 4. Stay off. Activated by motion. The light will come on for 20 seconds when people or other living objects are detected within the sensing area. Works at day and night. Auto mode. Stay bright all day. Automatically turn to mode 4 when the battery is at 60% power. Cycle the next day. Okay, and then you have timer settings. You get 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours. 2 hours at 70% brightness, 4 hours at 60%, and you get 6 hours at 50% brightness. Okay, I'll probably be putting mine on, I don't know, mode 4, so it's motion activated at night. So I'm gonna set that. Let me show you the remote. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Ooh. Okay, you got on, off. You got all your modes here. Auto mode. And then you got your brightness and da-da-da-da. So I'm gonna set this on 4, I think, so it comes on. Wait a minute. See what it does when I hit it. 4. Okay, the light flashes how many times, what mode you're in, and then it works. See, well, it's already working. I'll be back out later to see what it looks like when it's dark. All right, this is the light. It's pretty bright. You can see what's in. I can see in here. Pretty good. What do you think? Yep. Got my remote here. I can dim it down if I want. Works pretty good. So, what do you think? Cheap and expensive. All right, if this is anything that you're interested in, link will be in the description below. Simple, easy install, solar powered LED light for my shed. Easy. What do you think? All right. You know what to do. Hit all those buttons. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.